Hey everyone, today I'm sharing this really cute ghost vase that I made from this inspo pic I'm showing below. Here is a vase I already had. I used vinyl that I already had and cut out eyes, and then I attached them with painter's tape so that I could remove them after Halloween and reuse my pot for another season. And I stuffed just a few grocery sacks in the bottom to have a place for the stems to kind of grip to. And then I bent the bottom of my stems just so I wouldn't have to cut them. That's also to reuse them if you might need taller later. And I wanted a really woodsy, whimsical look for this arrangement, so I used a lot of curly twigs and berries and branches just to keep with the rustic fall look. So I started with the tallest stems first, and then I went in with the shorter and more fuller stems. I really like these white berries. White really shows up a lot in arrangements, I've noticed, and it gives a lot of contrast. I play with my arrangements a lot, so just know that sometimes they don't always end up the way I started. You can always go back and rearrange or fix or move however you want to. I love the contrast that these black stems added, and also I wanted a little black because it is for a spooky occasion, and these rich brown bunny tails were perfect to fill in and add some softness to the arrangement. I kept things pretty neutral up until the very end, and here I go with shorter, fuller branches. I love the color of these brownish, reddish orange leaves, and you can position them however you want to. And I love these white pampas stems, and I trimmed off these greenish leaves. Always remember that you can trim off any greenery that you don't like, and I like the look of them just by themselves. They make more of a statement to me. And here's our pop of color with these pretty gold berries. I trimmed down these stems. I usually do when I buy bunches. It makes it easier for arranging, and also it helps your stems go further, so it saves you a little money. And all these are from Hobby Lobby, and there he is. I think he turned out so cute. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And be sure to subscribe so you can see what I'm doing next. See you later.